project. In this project, I am supposed to fulfill 7 criteria, and the first criteria is I have to create 3 pages. This is a Google search page, and I have created the menu bar with 3-page link. This is Google's image search, and this is advanced search page. While I type in the search page in the middle the keyword that I want to search, Harvard, and while I click Google search, it directly goes to the Google search result page, and here you see the search result. Second, query image criteria, and now I go to image search. Here, if I type any keyword and press enter or click search button, it will directly goes to the Google's image search page. Let's type the keyword Harvard and click search. This is the Google's image search result. You see clearly. Now go to the advanced search page. Here I need to maintain some criteria. That is the first things that I need to create all these words. Second, these exact words or phrase, any of this word, none of this word. And if you want to type numbers ranging from 0 to number, you can also put that. If I type some keywords here, you can say having fun or wandering. All these words. Now I want to type some word in exact phrase. Water. Any of these words. Sliding. None of these words. Whatever you want to type. What can I type here? Part. No. Monster. Let me type and click on advanced search. It will go to the advanced search page of Google. Next, in the advanced search page, I have tried to build this page similar as Google's advanced search page, and CS50 suggested me to create 4 fields. That is all these words, exact words or phrase, any of these words and none of these words. But recently Google added another field, numbers ranging from, and I have also added this. And in the criteria it was suggested to create a blue button with white text. I have also created this button. In the Google's main search page, there I am supposed to create another button, that is I am feeling lucky. The behavior of this button is while I type any keyword and click in this button, it directly leads me to the first search result. Let me type YouTube here, YouTube, and click I am feeling lucky. It directly goes to the first search result. There is no search results. And I have tried to maintain the aesthetic beauty while I design this page. This page is similar to Google's main search page. Let me go to google.com. Yes, this is the Google's main search page, and mine one is similar to Google, and that's all from this project. Thank you.